Hey, Dattatulay here, and do you want to dominate online marketing, Facebook marketing in 2021? दोस्तों, welcome to this lesson here. In this particular lesson here in video, I'm going to discuss about the Facebook ad in 2021, my newest secret and pro tips which can help you to get quality leads, quality sales, quality customer through Facebook and online marketing. Because I have been doing for this last almost 3 years, I am getting hundreds and thousands of clients every day, every month. And not only me, but मेरे बहुत सारे clients, they're also getting amazing results. Okay, so watch this video till the end if you really want. If your Facebook ads are not working or you want to learn online marketing, Facebook advertisings, and learn latest practical tips, then this is the lesson for you. Because I am going to share all this strategy after spending over more than 1.2 CR on the Facebook ad and coaching over thousands of clients and students online. Okay दोस्तों, दत्तातुल्य आपका अगेन स्वागत करता है. So without any further delay, I am going to talk about you 5 pro tips which you can implement or you can learn in your business and see how exactly your campaigns, your marketing go on the route. Okay, so let me take you on my screen quickly here. जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर हो right now. All right, I hope you are seeing my screen. तो first of all, ये ट्रेनिंग हमारा 3 पेजेस में होने वाला है. Facebook ad in 2021, the newest secret strategies to fixing the campaigns or getting higher ROI. दोस्तों फर्स्ट मेरा इंटेंशन क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ टू गेट हायर ROI by getting sales and leads through Facebook and online marketing. ये मेरा important part है. Then we have like different part here, like we'll be talking about 5 pro tips that I will be discussing step by step, and I have something special gifts. So please watch this video till the end and make a lot of notes. First tips I would like to tell here without any further stretching further, like use different ad types. Now what is happening, like different type in the sense, if I talk about like different people report different creatives. For example, if I talk about like, you know guys, some people are visual learner, some people love to watch videos, some people love to like read the advertising copy. There are different people in advertising. If you are not aware about like hot, cold, odd, premium, odd audiences, and you can create different creatives, like you can create video ads, you can create carousel ads, even though you can create image ads. Like जैसे कि आप मेरा आपको I will show you my screen quickly here. On my screen, just like I am just doing so many things here. I am running so a lot of ads. If you see my ads, I have a lot of ads. For example, Dattatulay. जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो, there are like banner ads, then we have images, then we have videos, like hey Datta, like then we have like different customer reviews.
Hello guys,
So basically you can run different kind of ads. That was the point. In 2021, you cannot just rely on image or video. You can use different ad types. जैसे कि मैंने बोला, video ad, image ad, carousel ad, customer reviews. That is the pro tips. And as I told you, different people are understand different language, visual, auditory, and some people like to read also. Okay, that is the pro tip number one tip. Tip number 2. Now I also recently learned and I'm implementing this one, Facebook story ads. Like you can create story ads, for example, full screen story videos and images. It might be 5-second photo ad, like multiple videos inside Facebook. You can create 20-second small videos or selfie style natural videos, जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा था यहाँ पे. You see here, like this is the selfie style video.
hey guys, Datta this side, and I strongly believe that one app online grahak.
So basically you can create those story ad. You can learn more on that part. That is the amazing part. Story ads are working really well. And you can create in Instagram as well as Instagram में create कर सकते हो, Facebook में create कर सकते हो story ad. Please test out that one. It's worked really well. That's what I learned. And third tip दोस्तों is my $1 million idea. But before I go to that link, I want to talk to you. Have you ever tried online marketing, Facebook ads? I'm talking to you because दोस्तों I tried so many Facebook programs, so many amazing landing pages, and then like amazing offer, ad copy, creatives. It was amazing. सब कुछ बढ़िया था. But plus I was not getting results. आपका targeting सही होना चाहिए. You need to target right people. In the sense, I teach in my high performance Facebook guidance funnel workshop also. I call it laser targeting formula. So what you can do in third part, you can test different targeting. Like you can use this new feature like detailed targeting expansion or look like principle. These two options almost like if you see here, like if you have some existing customer data which you can import in the Facebook, आप Facebook में उसको upload कर सकते हो, and Facebook will try to find people like your existing customer, might be their age, gender, and if you are not aware, I'm telling you दोस्तों, there are more than 100 plus things or the pointers फेसबुक आपके बारे में जानता है, लाइक एज, जेंडर, लोकेशन, हैबिट, इंटरेस्ट, देन लोकेशन, लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स फेसबुक अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट यू. सो यू कैन यूज डिटेल टारगेटिंग एक्सपेंशन. जैसे कि मैं आपको लाइव स्क्रीन के आई विल शो यू लाइव कैंपेन यहाँ पे क्विकली. that will be option, small tweaks you have to do on the video itself, like let me take anything here quickly. Suppose I want to take anything here quickly, I will show you. There will be in your ad set level there will be option, like वहाँ पे ऑप्शन होगा जिसके यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आता है नॉर्मली डिटेल टारगेटिंग एक्सपेंशन ऑन. यू सी हियर this feature is available now. Reach, okay, basically reach people beyond detailed targeting selection when it's likely to improve performance. It means you can tell Facebook boss कि if there are more chances, Facebook can show your ad to more people. Okay, so that is the emerging part, detailed targeting expansion. Test this option, I am personally testing, and if you are loving this one guys, please make a lot of notes. By end of this video आपको नीचे नोट शेयर करने हैं आपने क्या सीखा है स्टेप बाय. ओके, फर्स्ट वॉज यूज डिफरेंट एड टाइप्स. फेसबुक स्टोरी एड टेस्ट करो. टारगेटिंग इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट इज अगेन लेजर टारगेटिंग. ओके, दैट आई टीच इन माय प्रोग्राम आल्सो. एंड दोस्तों टिप नंबर 4th, let me explain you again. There are 3 kind of levels. So basically I'm telling you quickly, there are 3 levels. Whenever you are running campaigns, create the campaigns according to customer. I always teach there is a formula called I call it like cold audience, warm audience, hot audience. So there will be different campaigns you will be running, like you will be running different campaign for cold audience, different campaign from all warm audience, and different campaign for जो ऑलरेडी हॉट बायर्स है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हॉट लाइक कोल्ड ऑडियंस, द प्योर कॉन्टेंट, लाइक यू विल बी जस्ट क्रिएटिंग प्योर कॉन्टेंट बेस, you will be creating pure content based, like educational. I mean to say educate about your product services. They are not aware about problem plus solution. For example, let me give example कि किसी का business grow नहीं हो रहा है and they don't know कि यार आप ऑनलाइन ग्राहक पा सकते हो, यू कैन गेट कस्टमर ऑनलाइन. They are not aware about that one. Might be or somebody, I'm just giving this educated video. They are also not aware about you can get customer through Facebook and online marketing. So basically you can educate them, just like I have created this video. You can educate them on the Facebook ad. Okay, that is the level 1. Level 2, retargeting ad. Like you can create a retargeting ad. For example, people who watch your campaign, your funnel or your ad copy, or you can retarget same people. For example, जिन लोगों ने people who watch 3 second video or more or 10 second or more video, जैसे कि आपके कुछ ad आप run कर रहे हो, you can retarget them. What I do, I run traffic campaign normally and I retarget them using conversion campaign to show them my ad. For example, जैसे कि आप मेरे ad के ऊपर दिख रहे हो यहाँ पे, like I have some ads running on. I will be showing you quickly. For example, like you forgot something, or I can give them different ad copy, like want to really optimize your Facebook marketing etc.
Hey guys, Datta this side, and I strongly believe that when आप online ग्राहक पा सकते हो, because you know the world is changing and way of doing business.
So basically I'm giving more little bit about actionable video ad retargeting बना रहा हूँ, जहाँ पे लोग यहाँ पे action ले सकते हैं, like they can register to my webinar, buy my product, buy my workshop etc. Okay, the first cold audience के लिए पूरा का पूरा I'm telling you cold audience, it's all about like कोल्ड ऑडियंस के लिए नॉर्मली आप रिटारगेटिंग कर सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट कोल्ड ऑडियंस, प्योर कंटेंट, एजुकेशनल कंटेंट. रिटारगेटिंग कर सकते हो विद द वार्म ऑडियंस, पीपल हु वॉच वीडियो और क्रिएट ऑडियंसेस. एंड थर्ड दोस्तों, आई हैव लाइक ऑब्जेक्शन एड, लाइक सपोज हॉट कस्टमर होते हैं वहाँ पे, दे आर रेडी बायर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उन्होंने आपका प्रोडक्ट देखा है, एड देखा है, वेबिनार अटेंड किया है etc. You can create like a customer review or objection based ad copies. You can retarget them. Okay, you can retarget them. These are the ready buyers. You just need to connect with them. So basically cold audience, educational contents, you can create pure content based ad. Level 1 campaign आपका normally वो भी चलना चाहिए normally. And when you have the budgets, if you have small budget like 5% वहाँ पे allocate कर सकते हो. And then we have retargeting campaign. You can create warm campaign जिसके लिए रिटारगेट सेम पीपल जिन लोगों ने आपके वीडियो देखे हैं या आपने दे हैव एंगेज like comment on your ad, you can do that. And third, hot buyers, they are ready buyers. They create objection bet handling, like you can create ad like for example testimonial, suppose somebody having will this work for me, like okay will this work for me, किसी का क्वेश्चन हो सकता है तो आप उसके ऊपर वीडियो बना सकते हो, टेस्टिमोनियल कैरोसेल वीडियो बना सकते हो, like you can give them testimonial carousel video, handle objection and create that. Okay, and दोस्तों now first we cover like first tip was, I hope you are making lot of notes. Okay, use different ad types. Second, Facebook story ad टेस्ट आप कर सकते हो, small 20 second 30 second videos. And targeting different type of people. Level 3, like create different campaigns for different people and create, दोस्तों सबसे important बात, if you see here my ad, if you have run the campaign, continuously keep adding new creatives, new videos. Like why that is important? Because Facebook love, you see here how many ads I am running. This video I'm recording in 2021, I have 150 ad running दोस्तों, 150 ads, because Facebook loves more creative rather than campaign. You can keep adding frequently every month, every 15 days, new videos, new images. So let me recap all 5 tips. First tip was like use different ad types. Second was test Facebook story ads. Third, targeting test करना चाहिए आपको. And 4, level 3 traffics. And 5th, new creatives and new ads. Okay, so दोस्तों these are some tips for in 2021. Please test out that one. Also, I would like to ask you one question. As I told you, I have some special gift for you. If you want to learn more, you can check the link below. Like you can go to dattatule.co/formula and you can become a part of one of my upcoming live workshop, webinar or program. You can check the detail below. Before that one, I'm telling you here, dosto, what did you learn from this lesson? What did you learn from this video? Let me recap all 5 steps to dominate Facebook ad and online marketing. Rather than theory के साथ साथ आपको practical implementation भी बहुत important है, that I teach in my workshop as well. But if you are completely new, experienced, master, what did you learn? You can share in the comment box below कि आपका marketing campaign कैसे काम कर रहा है, या you are completely new, what did you learn? Share your top 5 learning in the below this video. Also, if you genuinely love this video, please hit the subscribe button, like button and share your comment. Share with the loved one जिसको benefit हो सकता है. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Also, I keep adding this video every month, and if you want to learn something specifically on my channel, share down below what would you like to learn from me, and I will add the video. Okay guys, thank you very much. Let's meet live in the upcoming workshop or upcoming video. धन्यवाद. Thank you very much.